Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to someone easily. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you're trying to send money to a relative or a friend, or maybe you're trying to send money to someone because you want to actually buy something from them. Either way, can entirely be done using Cash App. So if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll each get $5. In addition, you can actually send this link to the other party as well. And once they sign up, likewise, they will also get $5 as well. But once you actually have Cash App installed, I'm going to go through a series of things that you need first. So let's open up Cash App. Now, the first thing that you need to do is actually connect your bank. So by connecting your bank, you'll be able to deposit money into Cash App. So first, let's actually click on the upper right-hand side, our profile icon. And then from here, underneath account settings, you're going to see this button called linked banks. So your prompts might look different from mine, but essentially you're looking for the prompt that implies that you can actually link your bank to Cash App. And so if we exit out of here, once your bank is linked, you could actually go ahead and add money. And so for our case, you can see that you can add 10, 25, or you can enter a custom amount. But essentially add enough money so that your cash balance is equal to how much you could actually go ahead and send the other party. Now on the bottom hand side, you can click on the dollar icon. You don't have to actually go ahead and add money to Cash App, but instead you could actually pay using your debit card. So what I mean by that is, let's say we insert here $10. If we click on pay, you could actually enter the cash tag, name, phone, or email of the other party who just signed up with Cash App as well. But notice how underneath the $10 icon, it says debit card. You could actually click this and it's going to ask you, how would you like to fund this payment? So you can link your debit card, credit card, or cash balance in order to fund the payment that you're actually going to send to someone. So with that, the other party would just need their name, cash tag, phone, or email, and it makes it very easy to actually go ahead and receive money and also send money to someone easily. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send money to someone. In addition to that, you can actually click on this QR icon on the upper left-hand side. And once you do that, it's going to give you the ability to scan a QR code. So your friend or family member could actually click on my code. And then from here, they could actually go ahead and receive money on Cash App as well. So you would just need to scan the QR code. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll each get $5. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.